Hey everyone, it's Michael Tiny Saul. Today is Tuesday, May 31st at 12:13 a.m. and this is Forex trading analysis for May 31st, 2011. Now I'm doing the Forex video pretty late because I was doing some other videos for a little private group using the intraday time frames like the 60-minute, 120-minute, 240-minute. So for here I'm going to stick with the daily charts. And this isn't going to be a thorough analysis of the list. I'm just going to touch on a couple of pairs and maybe a cross or two, and then we'll go through the whole list on Tuesday evening for Wednesday's market. So let's start with the euro. And the euro broke through the 78.6% retracement back here on Friday, and that suggested a full retracement up to this last swing. We got that. We broke through. Now it appears we are headed for this 44.51 level, which is the 127% retracement of this swing down. And we can also do a bigger retracement up here, okay? And you could see that that lines up with 50% of this big swing down. So that is a confluence of levels, as they call it. And we have to watch that as key resistance. If we stall there and set up a reversal candle, that could offer a nice shorting opportunity for a trade. Okay, but we'll see. All right, let's see what sets up first. Don't count our euros before our dollars are hatched. Boy, that's a terrible analogy. Okay, let's look at the Aussie dollar. The Aussie dollar looks like it's failing on this 50% breakout here. Okay, so we ran the grid from here to here, and we broke through the 38% retracement, and we broke through the 50% retracement. It looks like all systems will go for the Aussie dollar tonight, but we got rejection here, so this will be interesting to watch. Here's the yen. Now, on the yen, okay, we're not really seeing much, but that doesn't mean that this can't coil down to an equilibrium point and then look to break one way or the other on that, so watch that one. The Swiss franc, or the Swiss franc, however you want to pronounce it, okay, got slammed on Friday, broke the lower Keltner band, but managed to close back above it. Now it looks like it's consolidating here. Here is the loonie, which is the Canadian dollar, and this had a nice consolidation that appears to have broken down, so we're watching this moving average for support here. All right, let's look at the pound. The pound was one I was actually looking for a potential setup, but only gave a one-bar pose, and this was on Monday, which was a light trading day due to Memorial Day. So you can see here it's pushing up now out of this little consolidation. So let's see if it gets to that upper Keltner channel band, upper Keltner band, whatever you want to call it, right? I call the upper Keltner channel band. All right, then you got retracement here. You see the 78.6% retracement comes in at 6,600 here. So we want to watch that for potential resistance, and then we'll see if it can break on through. And if it does, we'll be looking for more than just this to be tested. If it breaks on through the 78.6% retracement, a full retracement is the target. Let's look at the euro yen. Okay, the euro yen had a coil here. You can see I had drawn this out, but it already broke. So first target would be the top of this triangle, and then we'll see what sets up there. The Aussie CAD, all right, was consolidating after the break. Here's the New Zealand CAD. I'm looking for this to retrace. Okay, you got 1, 2, 3 closes outside the upper Keltner channel here, and this is a 22.5 Keltner channel, by the way. And if we close here in Tuesday's session above it, that'll be 4 in a row. That kind of extension is unsustainable, and we should get a pull-in. Now, that doesn't mean necessarily that we get a short opportunity. It may just chop around as it comes back inside the channel. And you know, you've seen the videos now for a couple months, so you know that that's one of my favorite setups, when we poke outside the counter one way or the other to come back in. But you could see that price doesn't care that it's one of my favorite setups, because you could see multiple sessions of runs outside the counter channel, right? Both on the downside, and I don't know if we could see any upside on this, but there are plenty of charts that run outside the upper counter also. So it's not a signal of, oh, okay, it's outside the upper counter, let's short. No. But using mean reversion and stuff like that, there is a good chance that it'll come back inside the counter channels. All right? So that's it. Like I said, we'll do a more thorough analysis of the list. I'm just real tired. Been working most of the day on the book and a couple of special reports I'm getting ready to release. I'll keep everybody clued in on that. When they're ready, you guys have the opportunity to get the first crack at them, and let me know what you think. That's it. Have a great trading day on Tuesday. I will talk to everybody again on Wednesday.